Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. I am doing okay. I am a part of My World in OKC's design team, and she sent out the design team kits. So I'm really excited to see what's in there. I have no clue. I am going to open a box, pull everything out, and we're going to see what it is together. Lots of fun goodies. I still haven't looked at it, but everything is in the description box for My World in OKC. You know, she has an Etsy shop. You can go online and buy some of these cool things maybe. You can also go and check out her Facebook group as well as her own YouTube page. So, lots of stuff you have stuffed in here, ma'am. Some napkins, which you all know I love, 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 love napkins. Napkins are like, whoo, fun. Let me just take everything out and then show you. All right, so we already did napkins. There's some music sheets in here, which is very, very cool. Music sheets. I already know what I'm going to be making for one of my projects, so this is going to be very, very fun. Stick around. You'll see that in the next video. Well, not the next video, but you know, you'll see it. Some fabric is in here. Cool fabric. This, I have a I have a sheet set like this. It used to be one of my favorite sheet sets in the whole wide world. So this is really, really cool. Love that. It makes me think of my family. I'm not sure why. I guess because of the roses. You know, I'm not a big flower person, but I like flowers. I don't know if that makes any sense. Some lace. Lace, 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 lace. Cool. She sent some bling. You all know that I've been trying to bling out a few things. Some more little strips of fabric is in here, which is really cool. Look at this. This is a pumpkin. I believe it is like a little pumpkin. Look at that. Very pretty. More fabric. Some washi tape. Some little bell trim. Don't let Nicholas see this, okay? Because he's going to go crazy. Some coffee filters. Some stained or dyed, or looks like some stenciling coffee filters. Very, very cool. Some little button embellishments. Look at this sewing machine, butterflies and flowers and hearts. Very cool. I'm quite sure you can probably go over to her Etsy shop and see this. And then some more little beautiful like quilty fabric. Very cool. I have ideas, and look at these little flowers. Very cool. I hope that you will stick around and see what I create with all this wonderful stuff. I will leave all the information in the description box if you want to go over and check out My World in OKC channel, her Etsy shop, her Facebook group. I'll say thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.